Good day everyone, so for today I will be performing a return demonstration video about the big sponge bath. The purpose of this procedure is to reduce the client fever by promoting heat loss to conduct an evaporation of the patient with high temperatures such as 40 degrees Celsius. So let's proceed to the procedure. So first, determine the client temperature, pulse, and respiration. Wala man tayo relo karon, so mag-assure lang ta nga muna nato siya gikuan of pulse and then respiration. Then the next is assess the client for other signs of fever, skin warmth, flushing, complaints of teeth or cooling diaphoresis, etc. Then explain the procedure to the client. So good morning ma'am, I am Mr. Nurse, and today ma'am I will be assessing your big sponge bath, and then prepare all the necessary equipment and bring to the bedside to save time and effort. Wash hand and provide privacy by closing the doors and curtains. The next is protect the client's bed with moisture and proof materials. Okay ma'am, na ako i-insert sa inyo dito ng video baka turn side. Prepare ice cap on the client's head. Then the next is prepare hot water bag at the foot part. Then next is drape the client. The next is sponge the face, neck, arms, and legs for 3 to 5 minutes. Next is sponge the face, neck, arms, and legs for 3 to 5 minutes. Next is the Botox for 12 minutes. Ma'am, can you turn side? Then the next is the anterior chest and the abdomen usually. that's all for today. Thank you.